Hey, how y'all doing today? Danna Standridge here, and I'm from the Deep South. And in the Deep South, we love our cornbread. And I'm going to give you a quick tutorial about how to make a basic cornbread recipe that's been handed down in my family for generations and generations. Now, where do I call home in the Deep South? That would be Alabama, sweet home Alabama, and this is our family cornbread. All right, first thing you're going to need is a good cast iron skillet. And the next thing we're going to do is crank up our oven to 475, and we're going to put 3 tablespoons of shortening in our pan. Now, as that melts, we're going to put together a quick recipe for the cornbread. We're going to need 3/4 cup of cornmeal. This is self-rising cornmeal, 3/4 cup. Then we're going to need 1/4 cup of flour. This is self-rising flour. So the liquid that we're going to use is 3/4 cup of buttermilk. So here we go. The next thing we're going to need is an egg. We're going to crack that right in and stir it up. Now here's one of our next secrets. You're going to pour this almost 3 tablespoons in here, but you're going to leave part of it behind in the skillet. Ooh, do you hear it sizzling? That's because it's very hot and bubbly, and it's going to start cooking our cornbread as soon as we pour it into the pan. It's going to start cooking and crisping up the outside of that cornbread. Going in the oven, 475 for 10 minutes. You're going to love it. Look here. Here comes this delicious Southern cornbread right here, just for you to enjoy. Really good Southern cornbread, the state bread for Alabama.